Today we will learn how to create rolling text animation in Premiere Pro. First of all, create a text box using the Type tool and type your text and repeat it 6 times. Now increase its size. Then bring it to the center from both sides, and decrease the size of its leading as well. Now click on the rectangle mask in opacity. Cover only one word with the mask. Now bring the last word in the middle of the mask by changing the Y value of position. And now go to the first frame and turn on the toggle animation of position and move the navigator forward for 2 seconds. And change the Y value of position till the first word comes in the middle of the mask. Now click on the arrow next to position and select the keyframe. Now click and drag the nodes from both sides like this. Or you can do it like this also.
That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.